you see? What is your sense of taste? Sense. How about your sense of touch? Sense. How about your sense of hearing? Sense. Sense of smell? Nose. What are the basic shapes? How about circle? You forgot the circle. What is the capital of China? Moscow. China? Beijing. Beijing. How about the capital of Thailand? Moscow. Capital of the Philippines? Manila. Manila. What ba yung mga alam mo? Matinig Pinos. Oh, the 9 planets. Okay, say the 9 planets. Matinig Pinos, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Saturn, Pluto. About the 7 days of the week. Ito yung mga letters. Kobe. Kobe. Look at this. Kobe. What letter is this? Letter? You know now, what letter is this? Look at this. Hey! What letter is this? W. W. This letter W. But this. What letter is this? K. Letter K. What letter is this? X. Letter X. What number is this? 2. Number 2. Very good, Kobe. What number is this? 1. Look at this. What number is this? 4. Don't bite your nails now. About this. This. Kobe, A is for? A is for an? Apple. B is for? Food. C is for? Mommy. C is for? Oh, what number is this? What number is this? Look at this. What number is this, nak? Sige na, what number is this? Kobe, look at Nami. Kobe, stop it. Crayon yan. What number is this? 1. This one, look at this one. What number is this? 5. Number 5.
Count na lang siya, count.
Oh, count ka na lang. Hurry up. Count daw sa ating daddy para hindi niya i-turn off yung video. Please count. 1. Oh, what letter is this? 9. What letter? 6. Letter eh. 9. 9. Ito yung number 9. Oh, what letter is this? N. N. Letter N. What number is that? But this one, what number is this? 1. 1. How about this? Do you know what's this? What's this? 2. Look at this one. What is this? Question. Very good. Question mark. How about this? What number is this? 8. Number 8. What letter is this? N. Look at this one. What letter is this? S. Letter S. About this? What number is this? Look at this one. What number is this? Look at mommy. What number is this? Kobe, look at mommy. What number is this? 0. This is 0. Very good. What number is this? 9. Number? 9. 9. What letter is this? Kobe, look at this. What letter is this? What's letter is this, mommy? Oh, what letter is this? Oh, turn off muna, daddy. Oh, what letter is this? What letter is this? A. A. Mama. Can you count? Count na, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, count. Oh, 12? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31? O, you count. Isa? How about in Tagalog na? O, isa? Kobe. Sige natin. 9. Oh. Turn off muna, Daddy. Oh. 7. Oh. Louder. 5. Oh. Kobe. 4. Turn off muna, Daddy. 2. Oh, 2. And then? 1. Oh, can you spell your name? Kobe? C? Oh. Oh.
Mama, I want that picture Kobe.
What do you want?
I want that picture Kobe,
You want that
Mom.
picture?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you show your picture here. Oh. You show your picture. This is baby. Who's this?
Baby sister.
Baby sister. That's baby Kobe.
Baby Kobe. Sister, baby Kobe. So baby sister.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.